Hi everyone, today I'm sharing how to make a smooth and creamy sour cream custard. Let's get started. Start by spooning 200 grams of sour cream into a medium saucepan. Next, pour in 200 grams of milk. Add 10 grams of sugar, followed by 20 grams of cornstarch. Then pour in 20 grams of lemon juice. Grab a hand whisk and mix everything together until smooth. Make sure there are no lumps. This helps the custard cook evenly later on. Now place the saucepan over low heat and stir constantly with your whisk. Keep mixing gently to prevent lumps and stop the bottom from burning. The mixture will slowly thicken into a smooth custard. Once the custard thickens nicely, remove it from the heat and add in 30 grams of salted butter. Mix until the butter is fully melted and incorporated. Pour the hot custard into a clean bowl and cover the surface directly with cling wrap. Place it in the fridge and chill for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the cling wrap. Give the custard a quick whisk by hand to bring it back to a smooth, creamy consistency. Now it's ready to use. You can transfer it to a piping bag and pipe it right over your favorite bread dough before baking. It creates beautiful swirl designs, perfect for custard rolls, buns, or milk bread. Once baked, the custard holds its shape beautifully and adds a soft contrast against the golden bread. It also makes your bread look like it came straight from a bakery. For a frosting version, grab a clean mixing bowl and add 200 grams of cold whipping cream and 50 grams of sugar. Grate in some lemon zest for a fresh, citrusy aroma. Whip everything until firm peaks form, then transfer the whipped cream into the chilled custard. Using a spatula, gently fold and mix until it's fully combined, light and airy. Be careful not to overmix. We want it fluffy and stable. Now you've got a whipped lemon custard frosting you can pipe onto cakes or cupcakes. It holds its shape well, and the sweet tangy flavor is perfectly balanced. You can also pipe this lemon custard cream into or onto split bread rolls for a soft and creamy treat. So now you have one custard, 3 delicious ways. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.